behind the veil, posterior concealed, above the light, supernal revealed, two sides turning, one axis, one will. What you call darkness is unrefined still. Posterior, the back of perception where light withdraws for the sake of correction. The absence and concealment by design, a shadow cast by a mythic shine. When vessels break from receiving alone, they fall to a state where the source isn't known. That behind is exile, a fractured sight where ego crowns itself as the light. The shells whisper, you are the king, cut from the root, detached from the string. Desire revert to perception to take a hollow hunger that never will break. But even in void, a spark remains, buried beneath all the selfish chains. Posterior is an evil stage concealed, a training from teaching the will to reveal. Behind is the call, not the fall. A hidden ascent through the veil of it all. Behind is the mask, above is the throne. Behind is the mask, above is the throne. Above is the throne. Above is the throne. Above is the throne. Behind the mask, above the throne. Behind the mask, above the throne. Behind. Above. Behind. Above. Supernal, beyond time and space, the root of bestowal, the infinite grace. No lack, no hunger, no need to receive, only to give the true way to perceive. The above isn't somewhere, it's from you attain. When self dissolves and only love remains, equivalence of form, you rise to the height where giver and given unify your light. The spectrum flips when intention aligns, the back becomes face when ego resigns. Darkness was never a separate domain, just light unrecognized through ego explained. The double was always within your core, but blocked by the will that demanded more. Correct the desire and bent the demand, and need and impulse from the same exact land. No above without below, no face without behind. The system is one. Correct the mind. Behind is the mask, above is the throne. Behind is the mask, above is the throne. Above is the throne. Above is the throne. Above is the throne. Mask throne. Mask throne. Posterior. Never the end, never the end. Supernal. Closer than friend, one system. Concealed and shown, mask fall, reveal the throne. Behind the mask, 131. Behind the mask, above the throne, 131. Front to behind, draw from the source. Align, light of the infinite, guard your way. Turn the concealment into display. What's behind you, mercy refine. What's above you, unify, shine. Vessels rise, equal align. Will to bestow, redesign. Fracture collides, equal align. Begin the beast, slay brain, stay brain, stay brain. Beyond is the mask, above is the throne. Beyond is the mask, above is the throne. Beyond is the mask, 131. Beyond the mask, 131.